pretty excited about this. Miles, you excited?
Yes.
This is the kids' drum set. There's the drumsticks. Oh, cool. Vangoa kids drum set. 13 inch 3-piece. Here's what it looks like when it's done. So we'll see if we can put it together. Miles was, just the other day, we built a drum set out of paper boxes and this table here and kind of taped and glued it all together. So we decided to search out a kids drum set, and this one looked to be one of the best kids drum sets on Amazon. So we're gonna put it together. We'll do that in hyperlapse in a couple minutes here after we unbox it. But it looks like it's pretty nice. I mean, there's the tops of the drums. There's the cymbal. Here's all the drum boxes.
You can have one.
Uh-oh, Kat's got them. Grab those, Kat. Parts for the stool, probably. What do you think, Miles? Does it look cool? Ooh, look at the drums. Red.
Whoa.
Those are nice.
Those are going to be loud. This one.
Good job.
Well, that helps.
Finish that one up.
No, I didn't.
And then we'll do the stool and put it all together.
I did it. Do you really need to use this stool? Can we use it later?
You can, but it came with this awesome.
I want to do this stool. I really like this.